Welcome to True Finance, where your financial future begins with clarity and confidence. Welcome to the captivating world of stock options, a pivotal component of modern finance. As we begin our exploration of these strategic contracts, allow us to demystify the complexity embedded in options trading. Stock options are versatile instruments that provide investors with powerful strategies for hedging, leveraging, and maximizing profits. Our journey starts by uncovering the essential principles that govern options, the rights without obligation to buy or sell an underlying asset. These principles lay the groundwork for numerous trading strategies, which we will navigate in this educational guide. Be it an enthusiastic novice or a seasoned investor, knowledge is your first traded asset today. Embrace the clarity we seek to instill, elevating your understanding from the depths of complexity to the pinnacle of empowerment. Prepare to be inducted into an elite society of market participants who command the strategic prowess offered by options. Through our comprehensive narrative, you'll acquire invaluable insights into the building blocks of options trading. Our next segment will transport you to the origins of this practice, illuminating how historical precedence maps the future of trading options. Now, let's travel through time to the birthplace of options trading. Far removed from the technological advancements of today were the humble beginnings of options in ancient marketplaces. There, the uncertainty of seafaring trade gave rise to the first contract agreements, precursors to today's stock options. These agreements, initially applied to commodities, became the ingenious tools for hedging against the uncertainties of merchandise trade. The evolution from basic commodity contracts to the sophisticated stock options of contemporary markets reflects human ingenuity in navigating financial uncertainty. Recognizing the roots in Amsterdam's marketplaces and the foresight of thinkers like Thales of Miletus reminds us that the principles of options trading have indeed withstood the test of time. As we move forward, we'll consider how these historical strategies are intricately woven into the current financial fabric. Segueing from the past to the present, let's delve into the mechanism of call options, a doorway to significant investment potential. These financial instruments represent the prerogative to acquire shares at a predetermined price, a beacon of opportunity for those optimistic about a company's future. What defines the allure of a call option is its strategic application. Seize the chance to buy stocks below market value or capitalize on the increase of value by selling the option. On the other hand, should the market not agree with your predictions, the call option gracefully limits your risk exposure to the initial investment. This encapsulates the essence of call options, a haven of calculated risk where shrewdness intersects with markets in flux. As you comprehend the elegance of call options in this segment, you're poised to span the broader landscape of trading strategies that await your mastery. The subsequent chapters will reveal the manifold facets of this strategic tool, enhancing your trades with knowledge and finesse. With the foundations of call options laid out, we transition to their flourishing marketplace. Like seeds in fertile soil, the call options of yesteryears have grown into enigmatic financial forces, shaping today's trading milieu. Early investors who harnessed call options embraced a new era of strategic acumen. The trajectory of call options reflects their increasing sophistication, availability, and diversity in strategic use. The marketplace has matured from bustling trading floors to the precision of electronic transactions, nurturing a vast array of strategies, from straightforward calls to elaborate spreads. As we traverse this evolved landscape, you'll gain a panoramic view of the call option market's inner workings. Up next, we peer into the strategy of both buying and selling call options, not merely choices, but measured decisions within your comprehensive market thesis. In the delicate equilibrium of the markets, buying and selling call options present two distinct paths: optimism versus strategy. Securing a call option is akin to planting the seeds of future gain, casting faith in a stock's ascent. Conversely, selling a call option marks a different kind of purpose, one of securing an income from one's position or setting up a parapet against market shifts. Each approach embraces its own complexity, and neither operates in isolation. They are parts of an extensive narrative that shapes the continuum of your investment journey. Taken individually, they symbolize either anticipation or caution, but together, they offer a comprehensive portfolio strategy. Herein lies your challenge: to wield these options tactically in shaping and defending your market position. As we delve deeper into the subsequent segment, we enter the world of put options. Allow these strategies to further enrich your trading palette, with each one redefining your financial narrative. Next, we introduce put options, the other side of the options coin. These serve as a foil to call options, providing the right to sell instead of buy. Put options extend their utility beyond mere speculation on downward trends. They are adaptable strategies that also offer a defense mechanism for your portfolio. Whether anticipating a stock's decline or seeking portfolio insurance, put options prove their worth in diverse market conditions. If you like our video so far, please hit like and subscribe. Their multifaceted nature integrates seamlessly into varying investment strategies, ensuring you wield an adaptable approach to market fluctuations. Embarking further, we examine the nuanced dance between buying and selling put options. As our understanding deepens, our investment narrative broadens, revealing options trading as not merely a collection of tactics, but as a vast strategic ecosystem. Let us now scrutinize the duality within put options: buying as a defensive move and selling as an entry to stock ownership. Buying a put option is to hold a talisman against downturns, while selling a put option is to welcome future stock at a price of your choosing. The strategies surrounding put options epitomize the fusion of protection and foresight. Buying a put acts as a shield, while selling a put sets a stage for potential stock acquisition, a strategy where patience can be rewarded both through premiums and eventual ownership of valued stock at predetermined prices. In our dynamic exploration of options, we've dissected strategic entry points and protective maneuvers. Approaching our next segment, we address these concepts not as standalone tactics, but as interrelated strategies integral to a holistic trading framework. Our trek now takes us to the intersection of strategy and stock acquisition through the sensible use of put options. This approach utilizes put options not as a betting tool, but as a platform for potential ownership, enabling you to dictate stock acquisition terms that align with your financial vision while bolstering your position with option premiums. Indeed, selling put options to buy stock is a deft move in your investment playbook, one that can serve dual purposes: buffering against stock depreciation and preparing for strategic acquisition. This method reflects a deep understanding of market dynamics, utilizing foresight to set up a win-win bet on future ownership. In the upcoming segment, we transition to leveraging ownership through the prudent use of covered calls, a nuanced strategy that complements what we've learned by offering income potential on existing stock positions. Imagine a world where your stock holdings are not just static assets, but dynamic tools for further income. This vision becomes reality with covered calls, allowing you to draw consistent revenue from the stocks you own while navigating the stock market's fluctuations. Selling a covered call is much like renting out your shares, except here the tenant pays up front. By establishing a price at which you're willing to sell, you merge financial savvy with market insight, sacrificing potential excessive gains for immediate, assured income. Thus, we use covered calls not as a gamble, but as a prudent extension of our financial wisdom. Let this segment serve as a reminder that in the stock market, every asset can play an active strategic role. The next conversation will expand on this, exploring the broader strategic benefits that options trading offers in the grand financial narrative. Approaching the end of our comprehensive guide, we now synthesize the knowledge we've curated to illuminate the strategic benefits of options trading. Options grant the power to hedge properly, speculate wisely, and generate income, positioning us to employ these capabilities decisively. The flexibility and leverage afforded by options equip us with a toolkit for navigating the financial market's chessboard with informed boldness. Applying this understanding allows for innovative combinations that can adapt to any market condition, forging strategic paths through the multifarious scenarios we may encounter. It is this confluence of knowledge, the leveraging of these instruments, and judicious risk management that prepares us to step into the amphitheater of the markets. As we close this chapter, we peer ahead to our ultimate segment, which will recap the essence of options and empower you to apply these strategies with confidence and dexterity. At the conclusion of our odyssey through the world of stock options lies the gateway to empowered trading. We've charted a course from the foundational intricacies of options to the frontline strategies that will influence your future trades. We commenced with the enigma of stock options, steadily building your arsenal of knowledge through topics that span the elemental to the complex. Guided by history and innovation alike, we've unveiled an approach to trading where each strategy serves as a star guiding your market explorations. As this journey culminates, we find ourselves equipped with an insightful perspective on both calls and puts, ready to employ these strategies efficiently. This segment marks not an end, but a milestone in your trading narrative, where the clarity gained from our shared insights draws the map of your future endeavors. Step into the trading arena with the strategies imparted, viewing the financial markets not with trepidation, but with the confidence of a skilled strategist. The insights culled from this odyssey are your trading compass, guideposts for a successful venture into the world of finance. As you progress, carry the wisdom and strategic acumen you have gleaned here into your trades, and may your decisions reflect both the knowledge secured and the sagacity enabled by this understanding.
As we close today's journey through the landscape of financial wisdom, we extend our heartfelt thanks to you, our dedicated viewers, for joining us. Please like and subscribe so that we may continue to bring you the best financial education.